To find caution electrical testing signs, firstly consider online retailers. Amazon offers a selection of such signs. Their website allows you to search for caution electrical testing signs. Grainger is another source, specializing in industrial supplies and safety equipment. The caution signs and tags category features various materials like vinyl. McMaster-Carr is another option, providing a range of safety signs. Secondly, explore safety supply stores. Grainger Industrial Supply is one such option. Arsenal is another company which may carry these signs. McMaster-Carr may also be considered a safety supply store as well. Thirdly, consider other sources, such as electrical contractors. Many electrical contractors sell caution signs and can order them on your behalf, providing a convenient option, especially if you are already working with one. Fourthly, check local hardware stores. Some hardware stores may stock a limited selection of caution signs, providing an immediate solution if you need a sign quickly. Fifthly, explore custom sign shops. You can order custom caution signs with specific wording from a local sign shop, allowing you to tailor the message to your specific needs. When selecting a sign, consider the appropriate wording. Common examples include caution electrical testing in progress, warning electrical work ahead, and danger high voltage. Also consider do not touch, electrical hazard. The choice of wording should accurately reflect the potential hazards present during electrical testing. Always ensure the sign is prominently displayed and easily visible to anyone in the area. The material of the sign is also an important consideration. Vinyl signs are durable and weather-resistant, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Metal signs offer greater durability but may be more expensive. Consider the size of the sign. It should be large enough to be easily read from a safe distance. The color of the sign is also important. Yellow and black are commonly used for caution signs, while red is typically used for danger signs. Consider the specific regulations in your area regarding safety signage. There may be requirements for the size, color, and wording of caution signs. Ensure the sign complies with all applicable regulations. It is also important to consider the placement of the sign. It should be placed in a location where it is easily visible to anyone who may be exposed to the hazard. Ensure the sign is securely attached to prevent it from falling or being blown away. Regularly inspect the sign to ensure it is in good condition and the wording is still legible. Replace the sign if it is damaged or faded. In addition to caution signs, consider using other safety measures such as barricades, cones, and warning tape to create a safe work area. Always follow proper safety procedures when working with electricity. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection. To energize circuits before working on them whenever possible. Use lockout-tagout procedures to prevent accidental energization. Test circuits to verify they're de-energized before working on them. Never work alone when working with electricity. Have a qualified person present to provide assistance in case of an emergency. Be aware of the potential hazards of electricity. This includes electric shock, arc flash, and arc blast. Take steps to minimize these hazards. Follow all applicable safety regulations. This will help protect you and others from injury. Consider additional factors such as the environment in which the sign will be used. If the sign will be exposed to harsh weather conditions, choose a material that is resistant to fading, cracking, and peeling. If the sign will be used in a high traffic area, choose a material that is resistant to scratches and abrasions. Also, consider the mounting options for the sign. Some signs come with pre-drilled holes for easy mounting, while others may require adhesive or other mounting hardware. Choose a mounting method that is appropriate for the surface on which the sign will be mounted. Before ordering caution electrical testing signs, determine the quantity needed. Consider the number of locations where electrical testing will be performed and the number of signs needed at each location. It is always a good idea to order a few extra signs to have on hand in case of damage or loss. When ordering custom signs, be sure to provide clear and accurate instructions to the sign shop. Specify the exact wording, font, size, color, and material of the sign. Review the proof carefully before approving the order. By carefully considering these factors, you can ensure that you select the appropriate caution electrical testing signs for your needs. This will help to create a safe work environment and protect workers from electrical hazards. It is also beneficial to consult with a safety professional to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations and best practices. They can provide guidance on the selection, placement, and maintenance of safety signage. Proper safety signage is an essential component of any electrical safety program. By investing in quality caution electrical testing signs and following proper safety procedures, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents. In addition to purchasing caution electrical testing signs, it is important to educate workers on the meaning of the signs and the potential hazards they represent. Training should cover the following topics. Firstly, the importance of following safety procedures when working with electricity. Secondly, the potential hazards of electricity such as electric shock, arc flash, and arc blast. Thirdly, the proper use of personal protective equipment. Fourthly, the meaning of caution signs and other safety signage. Fifthly, emergency procedures in case of an electrical accident. Regular safety meetings and training sessions can help to reinforce these concepts and ensure that workers are aware of the potential hazards they face. Encourage workers to report any unsafe conditions or practices they observe. This will help to identify and correct potential hazards before they cause an accident. A strong safety culture is essential for preventing electrical accidents. This includes promoting a culture of safety awareness, accountability, and continuous improvement. Management should demonstrate a commitment to safety by providing the necessary resources and support for safety programs. Workers should be empowered to take responsibility for their own safety and the safety of others. By working together, employers and employees can create a safe and healthy work environment. Remember that safety is everyone's responsibility. By following proper safety procedures and using appropriate safety signage, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and protect yourself and others from injury. Consider conducting a risk assessment to identify potential electrical hazards in the workplace. This assessment should include a review of all electrical equipment, wiring, and work practices. Identify any potential hazards and develop control measures to eliminate or minimize the risk. Control measures may include engineering controls, such as installing ground fault circuit interrupters, administrative controls, such as implementing lockout-tagout procedures, and personal protective equipment, such as wearing insulated gloves and eye protection. Regularly review and update the risk assessment to ensure it remains current and accurate. Keep abreast of the latest safety regulations and best practices. Changes in technology and work practices may require updates to your safety program. Consult with safety professionals and industry experts to stay informed about the latest developments in electrical safety. Strive for continuous improvement in your safety program. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your control measures and identify areas for improvement. Encourage feedback from workers and use their input to improve your safety program. A proactive approach to safety is essential for preventing electrical accidents. By identifying and controlling potential hazards, you can create a safer work environment and protect workers from injury. In addition to the above considerations, it is important to ensure that all electrical equipment is properly maintained. Regular inspections and maintenance can help to identify and correct potential problems before they cause an accident. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged wiring, and worn insulation. All electrical equipment should be grounded to prevent electric shock. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and de-energizing the circuit. Use only approved electrical equipment. Approved equipment has been tested and certified by a recognized testing laboratory to meet safety standards. Do not use equipment that is damaged or defective. Remove it from service immediately and have it repaired or replaced. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the proper use and maintenance of electrical equipment. Improper use or maintenance can create a safety hazard. Ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified personnel. Only qualified electricians should perform electrical installations, repairs, and maintenance. They have the knowledge, skills, and experience to perform the work safely and correctly. Provide adequate lighting in work areas. Adequate lighting is essential for safe work practices. It allows workers to see potential hazards and avoid accidents. Keep work areas clean and organized. Cluttered work areas can create a tripping hazard and make it difficult to access electrical equipment. Use appropriate tools for the job. Using the wrong tools can damage equipment and create a safety hazard. Ensure that all tools are properly insulated. Insulated tools protect workers from electric shock. Be aware of the presence of overhead power lines. Maintain a safe distance from overhead power lines. Contact with overhead power lines can be fatal. Call before you dig. Before digging, call your local utility company to locate underground utilities. This will help prevent damage to underground utilities and avoid potential hazards. Know the location of emergency shut-off switches. In the event of an electrical accident, it is important to know the location of emergency shut-off switches so that power can be quickly disconnected. Post emergency contact information in a visible location. This information should include the phone number for emergency services and the contact information for the company's safety officer. Practice emergency drills regularly. Emergency drills help workers to prepare for potential electrical accidents. They allow workers to practice emergency procedures and become familiar with the location of emergency equipment. By following these safety precautions, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and create a safer work environment for yourself and others.